Namaste friends, welcome to Trading Emotion channel, Research and Analysis, day 12/1/2023. I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Very interesting expiry was happened today. Very interesting. And what we discussed in the morning, that level exactly Nifty and Bank Nifty was responded on that level. I clearly told that our levels have sold. So that level work as a exact soul. So Nifty, let's check what we discussed. If market opening flat, and moving up. So moving up, my entry, any acceptance at 18,050, above 18,050 only I will go for a long towards this particular high and towards this day high. This was the discussion. 160, 190 level we discussed, right? But after flat opening, what happened? Market exactly took reversal from this level. 18,020 market rejected Nifty, and first half an hour itself is came down here and closed, came down and went up, again came here. So what we discussed, if market coming down, any acceptance here at this single print, this is the first target we discussed, and second target we clearly discussed this single print low. See how the single print low was working. This single print low we already discussed, that means 18,000, 17,830, 820 level is a target on the downside. You can go and cross check our morning video. That clearly we mentioned, if market any acceptance at this single print level, if market coming down, any acceptance here, our target, first target could be this day low, second target could be directly of this single print of 17,830. and see, there's a 1 tick and market went to a reversal. So this is how we do analysis, research and analysis every day. And one more thing, you this is observation. Market open and not went above this value area high. So here the responsive sellers are came into the picture. And initiative sellers are came into the picture and market came down. This is one observation. Second, yesterday open, yesterday close, yesterday's close, okay, today's open. So after 45 minutes, this entire territory was rejected from the top and market start coming down. So this is one more observation. Second, market exactly reversed from this particular single print, this territory, 17,830. So this is how we do good work on the market. Actually, this is a target. The market profile itself will provide you the target whenever we are discussing. So we are going to start a new batch on market profile on 15/1/2023, coming Sunday. So every day night we'll have a 1 hour live webinar on market profile. 15 days. In 15 days, you will know entire market profile, each and nook and corner, all the nuances, all the basics, everything. Lightly in advance also you will learn in 15 days, and after 15 days you will become an independent trader. Within 15 days you will become an independent trader. See what you can go and cross check our entire video. I am posting every day morning and evening videos. You can go and cross check. All the levels are exactly market is responding on that particular level. Okay, this is all about Nifty 50. And see, the great thing is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, one of the main observation is market opened below yesterday's close and start moving up, exactly rejected at what is this level, 42,490. If you want to see in trading view, let's see, let's have a view. See, I draw actually like this actually. So this is how I work in the market. See, 42,490. What is the rejection? I clearly told any acceptance here, then I will go for a 42,700, 730 level. Right, Bank Nifty. You go and cross check today morning video. Right. So the exactly rejection was happened from this level, and what is our downside level? 42,115. 42,115. Then we can have this day low target. But this day low target not visited the Bank Nifty, but this catch was beautiful catch. Okay. We have some other observations also. This reversal trade, 30 rupees C, 42,030 rupees C went almost more than 100 plus. It went 20 from 20 to 100 plus. So that what is the strategy we are using in the market profile? This is a delta based strategy we are working on the market actually. This is market profile. Okay, market profile. This is the order flow. See, in trading you just seeing this candle, right? You are not unable to see the volumes and what is happening inside the candle. Whether if it is a green candle also, whether these people are buyers or sellers. If this red candle also, whether these people are buyers or sellers. Inside the candle, the X-ray order flow will provide you the detailed thing. See the inside candle. See how many numbers are showing. See, these are the left hand side. Entire left hand sides are sellers. Right hand sides are buyers. So see, 16k buy order punched in this particular, overall 16k buy order punched in the particular candlestick. So all this information also you will learn in our new batch, market profile batch, Ghana 2.0, and this strategy we are using for reversal. So this strategies we are using for reversal. Here we took a entry, here we took entry, and our exit could be this particular high. So if we can hold from the entire day, but as expiry 20 to 100 plus. So just think what is the trade facilitation we are doing in the market. So this is how we work on the Bank Nifty. And one more observation in Bank Nifty, that Nifty not visited yesterday's high, right? Rejected from the value area high and came down. But Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty visited yesterday's high, so that Bank Nifty hesitating to visit this single print low zone. Bank Nifty hesitating to visit this single print low, but just one tick away, Bank Nifty took reversal. So morning my trade was there, then I got a trade from H period was rejecting from the C period high, then I entered more than 100 points right also I done in the Bank Nifty. So this is the power of market profile, and each and every information you will get from the market profile for live trading and live support also. We are already having a students group. You will get all the information there. So join our new Ghana 2.0 market profile course, and fees, all the details are explained in the Google form. I am posting that Google form in description box. Otherwise you just WhatsApp me or Telegram me through I will share my mobile number. So whatever query you have in terms of fees, in terms of timing, in terms of language, whatever query you have, you can WhatsApp me or you can Telegram through that number. So I am ready to reply all your queries.